This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Hughes. Nestled in the heart of Thalia, Birchwood Gardens hosts a welcoming ranch with a beautiful shaded front yard setback off the road with crepe myrtles and azaleas that will soon be in full bloom. Professionally renovated, open floor plan and main living area to include a new ceiling fan and dynamic accent wall in 2022. Gorgeous original oak floors refinished in 2022. Gleaming granite farmhouse sink and long neck faucet make kitchen tasks a breeze. Check out the filtered drinking water system attached to the sink. Each bathroom boasts extra heat sources. Converted garage acts as fourth bedroom with closet, ceramic tile floor, and newly tiled steps in 2022. Water softening system installed 2019. Step through the French doors to a spacious, relaxing, extra-large, fully screened-in porch with lighted ceiling fan and outlets for extra fun. Outdoor walk-in shed with ramp and window with ample space for all yard needs. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Hughes at 757-422-2200.